In this lecture, we are going to learn how to log in to our new WordPress website. So first of all, first of all, we will go to our website. Here you can first type the URL of your WordPress website. Then we will enter a backslash and wp dash admin. When you go to this URL, you will see a login form. Here you need to enter username or email address which we have created when we installed WordPress on our hosting. So here I am entering my username and password and click login. Now, as you can finally see, we are logged into our WordPress dashboard. Here in screen options, you can see the all options which we are seeing here. WP forms, if we unclick it, it will disappear from here. And so this screen options help us to show what we want to see. Now, on the left side, we have dashboard. Now we are at our home. Updates notification are for plugin or website update. Next we have post. In the post section, we have all posts, and all posts to show all the posts on our website. Then we have add new to add a new post to our website. Then we have categories to add new categories to our website. And then we have tags to create new tags on our website. Next, on the media, we have a library to see all the media uploaded on our WordPress website. And then we have add new to add a new files on our website, new photos or videos to our website. Now on the next option, we have all pages and add new. So all pages will show us all the pages which we have created on our WordPress website. And now second option is add new. Using this, we can create any new page on our WordPress website. On the next line, we have comments. The comments are done by the subscribers of our website. And then next, we have this. This is a plugin actually, WP Forms. It is used to create a new form, which we can use as a contact form for our website. On the next line, we have appearance. We have in appearance we have themes. Using this, you can see all the themes and add new themes from here. Next, we have customize. This option is used to customize our current theme and appearance. Next, we have widgets. So widgets are used to add search bar or like a recent post to our website or blog. I say. Next, we have menus. So this is used this option is used to create a new menu or customize an existing menu. Then we have theme editor. So theme editor is used to change the code of the current theme. And if you don't know how to code, then you should not touch it because it can break your website. Next, we have plugins. In plugins, we have installed plugins where we can see all the plugins installed on our WordPress website. We have a add new option too. install new plugins, and then we have plugin editor. So to change the code of plugins, then you should not touch plugin editor until you know coding or like PHP, because WordPress is coded in PHP. So you must know PHP if you are going to use plugin editor. Then we have users. In the users section, we have a like in the users we have all users where we can see all the users which are able to access the dashboard of our WordPress website. And we have add new option to add any new user to our WordPress website. Like you will add SEO manager or blog writer or say site manager. You can add them from here. And then we have profile, which will show your profile, and you can change your username and email using this option. Here you can see my profile is admin, my username is admin, and we can edit and remove from here and here. Next we have tools. So these tools are used to import existing website or export this website for the purpose of backup. Then we have here site health. As you can see here, site health status is good. When a site has performance issues, it will show bad or something like that. Next, we have this tool is also used for backing up and migrating our website. This plugin, and this is settings. So in settings, you can see general settings. So writing settings are used for the blogger, for us, not for for like for the owners who are writing the content for the website. The next section is the reading section where you can change settings for the readers who read information on your website. Next, we have discussion section. In discussion section, we are able to change the setting for comments and all that. Next, in media section, we are able to change settings for media, music, videos. So permalinks. Here you can in settings you will see permalinks, which are permanent links of your website. Permanent links plays very important role in SEO. So take care of. So you should take care of these things. And next we have privacy and this light speed cache. So this is a caching plugin. It is used to speed up the performance of our website. You can see all the options. So I hope now you have a basic understanding of what is a WordPress dashboard. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so in this section we are going to create our very first post. So yeah, we are actually going to create a first post. You know, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we'll go on post, and first I will show you what posts, how the posts work. So here you can see all posts. I don't have any post currently. There are two posts in my trash. So trash is just like a recycle bin where the posts are kept after you delete them, after you put them to trash. Or if you want to permanently delete the post, you can delete them by going here. And then like we want to delete all the posts in the trash folder. We select this delete permanently and apply. So now all our posts are deleted. Now we are actually going to create a new post. So by default, WordPress is giving this editor where we can see it post and lock. So I will do it using using this. Okay, so now we are so for our first we need to create and write a title. I will just write my first post. Then we are here. So this is the main part of our post. Here you can write anything like hello world. This is my post. So this is how you write your first post. You can apply effects to this using bold, italic, bold. So I don't use it. So I actually don't use this editor. I will show you how to install another plugin which I use for creating posts. That is actually really useful and simple. So now we have created our post. Let's say you want to add image, paragraph, form, heading, gallery, list, anything else. So, like there are a whole lot of things you can add here. And if add uh, here we can add many things. This editor actually offers many things to create. So if you want to use this editor, you can use. This is also good. So we can also add image here. Let me see. I will search for image. So we can actually select any image from here. So I have this image uploaded already. So this is how you can create a post, and then the work is not over yet. And here we have the settings, not for image, actually for the post. But for the post, we have the settings. Here you can see the permanent link categories. So actually we don't have any category. So for creating any category for your post, you can always click add new category, and then you will see our post, and there is no parent category. Add new category, first post and first. So this is our main category, and I will add the first post as a parent category to this category. So let's see how this works. So as you can see, our first post is the parent, and this is the second category. So this is you have multiple subcategories for the main category. So this is how these posts work. You can also actually add a tag here, like actually tags are not the main parameter to arrange your posts category. So that is how we can create a post and a category. Now we want to let's add a tag here. First post and enter. This is a tag. Then we are here. So you can actually, so let me first show you how this post looks. Let me publish it. So here we have actually three options. Like if we save this into draft, this post will not be so. Now let me show to you. So as you can see, nothing is found. We already, as we have moved our post to draft. So this is currently in draft by first. So this is not visible here. Make it visible. We will go to edit. We will go to edit, and then if you click publish, let me show you publish. So now our post is live. Here we can refresh this page. Oh, hooray! So here is our first post. As you can see, here are all the metadata available. These are our tag. This is our tag, and this is our category. This is our parent category. This is our subcategory. So if we click on our post, as you can see, this is our post. We have an option to comment and all that. Now, 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 sometimes this image is not shown on the main page of our website. So for that, you will need to set a featured image, whichever featured image is like a thumbnail, whichever thumbnail you want to set to show your website visitors. You can set it from here. Set as featured media. That how it works. We will now move to next section. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a new page for our WordPress website. So first let us see what pages are currently created. So as you can see, we have two pages currently, like home page and privacy policy. Let me show you the privacy policy page. Uh, Here is our privacy policy page. So this is the default page, which is over by WordPress for us. So let me close this and this. So now we are going to create a new page. For page, we are going to create our first page. So we have page attributes, page parent, and order. So by creating our first page, we can write content here. You can add line code, images, or whatever you want. So you can create a page like post, but I but there is a difference between a page and post, uh, which I will tell you in next lecture. But for current scenario, pages. So page you can similarly you can create a new page. This is we can write here. This is my first page. So this if you publish this, this will actually be visible on the URL, which you will get if you are after publishing it. In the page also we can add paragraph, image, forms, list, heading, because or else will be something. We can add a file, media, text, group, column, buttons. So there are too many options. So every different editor has these options. And you can add these things. So these are the default page with this editor opens like Teams page, what video services, get in touch. Like this is our contact page, and this is our about page. So let me show you. Let's create a services page and publish this. So our page is now live. Now we will open this uh, and see. This is our first page. So this is really cool. So let's close this. So yeah, that's how you can create a page. There is not much to learn. It really depends on the editor you use. There are many plugins available to create beautiful pages. Visual, some of them are Visual Composer and Elementor. You can find many tutorials available on YouTube also to create beautiful pages. But, these are just basics. That's how we always create pages. So yeah, that's it for this lecture, and I will see you in next lecture.
Okay, so in this video we are going to see what is the difference between the WordPress page and the WordPress post. So to quickly show you the difference, I'm going to go here about my page in my about page, and let's see. So in the page we have this nice title, and then we have all the info, and then we have footer and the end. So page is all about this, and let's see what is a WordPress post. So we are going to post and all post. So as you can see, there is the post. Let me quickly create a post for you guys, and let me quickly show you the difference. So here we are going to say hello world. Then I think so this is my first post, and so let's, this is the category. You can also add a category here. So let's add the category, tags and feature media. I'm not going to add that currently, and we are say publish. So it is publishing. Now my post is available on the URL. It is loading. Boom. As you can see, the whole thing changes. So to quickly show you the difference, I'm going back to my page, and as you can see, first of all, the title is all different. The metadata, who created, on what date it was created, what is the category, and how many comments are there. But as on the page you can see, there is nothing. At the end you see there is a comment and who logged in and all that, and on the right side also you can see there is sidebar where you can search the posts and comments and all that. So this is the most important thing to remember whenever you create a WordPress website. You are, if the if it is a, like, if it is a static content like which is not updating, you are going to put it in the page format because this is not updating. But if it is a dynamic content, let's say you have many posts, many items to post, you are always going to create a post. Why? Because the fact that how WordPress stores pages and posts is different, and also if you post, let's say you have 500 posts on your blog, and if you create 500 separate pages, your website performance can go down. And it is always recommended to follow the standard and always use the post whenever there is a dynamic content which is changing. Like every day if you want to write a blog, always you should use post where people can comment, they can write reviews, and on the page you don't have these options available. Also on the other hand, a page is a whole WordPress template. You have to create everything, like you have to create title, you have to create how the title will look, you have to select everything. But on the post, the WordPress theme itself defines how the title will look. and how the metadata will look. You can control like if it should be visible or not, but it is always available in your dashboard. So always create a post whenever you have dynamic content, and whenever, like if you have daily blog, if whenever you have dynamic content, and whenever you have static content, if just create a page, don't use post.